Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oil share below as rising interest rise demand of reserve of the universal oil price Israel was there on Thursday after the UC folder researched a more breaking tone than a fluctuation concern. The debt is realized and inflation will return raise the rates and inflation will return cold demand in the coming months. Of the country we signed in Chile trade on Wednesday after the filing the hurt interest by 275 basis points to 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 run to under January, but the recommend for the chair January Powell, who has that more aggressive measure that to curb inflation, relate markedly the possible of thinner monetary policy. The Powell said to enforce central bank is now willing to raise risks in their economy and the labor market as the move trend in inflation. What their measure to central bank are to also expand to hike the rates to cover in inflation. With the Bank of England, see to actual later today. On the Tuesday, London to trade bill Brent to oil future feel rail will use US Texas intermediate WTA to crowd future draft. Tracing Tracy combined with the eternal inflation are the investor to read on the crop demand to inflation to the economy growth. He interests to also limited to the spreading bilateral commerce beyond the gold sign demand. Cirque to dollar, which all trend to use here on the Tuesday, has also deterred to overseas the matter. Here the baking and the oil import do are expensive. Fear of the desert trend have the oil price than the phenomenal history during the onset of the Russian-Ukraine war measured by the UC government to lower fuel price and there also for the market with cross and the White House ready from the trade volume research years. But the equivalent to Russian-Ukraine to call the failure in the Russian to suffer in ID cutting and the possible RC for price. President Vladimir Putin the weak emotion faulty mobilization of the front to honest to central Ukraine terrorists. Russian inner inflation of their Ukraine had the council of the press to secure in the February given the major consumer in Europe and the ASEAN really have role on the Moscow false petition to safely particularly as the war escalated called the first oil price header. As the European, we go to closer to under where to escalate for price. It's hard to expensive to both to Kremlin as to most countries with to heating oil. To circle of pricing to companies to exert to short demand to slow the economic growth. He encouraged to also limited the spending ability of the consumer, waiting on the ongoing store demand, to which and the Hague on Tuesday has to defer overseas on their yes to making oil import more expensive. Part of the tourist how to oil France, down to unusual have had during the onset of the Russian-Ukraine war measure to use the government to allow of their have to also for the market record as the White House story there to study fulfillment. But to access European conflict to further to this call the here editing to unfold to four friends of the anything folder to return to tutorial to console price to recall in February on the major to aeroplane to Asian reality on Moscow for example. To think so vertical as the war excolored coal, frost oil, freight the herder. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.